that, we're going to see the different types of Cyperaceae plants.
We have another exciting day just like yesterday. Yesterday we have a much better conversation because the program changes with the power cut.
Yeah,
I was very happy to hear the orchid talk. Because Landy and Brigitte define already what we need today. The traits is the same word which means the same thing as adaptation.
Fitiavana, good luck.
Mikono Fitiavana fitenena na de mrasoa So we're going to see globally the Cyperaceae plants first. So these are small grasses, sometimes very big grasses. Most of the time it is three-sided cones. But sometimes they are rounded. And the inflorescences, as you can see in the picture, is sometimes in a mess. Yeah, and the fruits are very small in the group, but we just tried to zoom it up. And the fruit is called nucleate. And aken, it is called aken in French. So if you look at the Cyperaceae plants, it has got its roots, its stem, and its leaves. Involucral bracte, I don't know. And if you look at in the inside of if you look at the microscope,
and
then inside we can see the flowers as we mentioned earlier. And then the fruit. And all these characteristics traits combined would let us say that this is a Cyperaceae plant. So after that we're going to try to define the different types of Cyperaceae in Madagascar and the zones where they are developed. The Cyperaceae can be seen all over the places. Sometimes in the savannah, in the water, in the forest, nearby some water. As you can see in the pictures, we've got different types of plants. So in Madagascar we have 311 native species. And 120 out of them are endemic to Madagascar. So there are 24 genera. And the only endemic genera is Tricos coenus.
iainana misokatra.
So now let's have a look at the Cyperaceae in the open grassy ecosystem.
Dia arak'izay hitantsika zao a, misy io zao a scleragrigiofolia hitantsika eny amin'ny savane.
We have the Scleragrigiofolia, as you can see in the picture.
Dia fa misy genre maromaro, espèce maromaro hitantsika amin'ny Cyperaceae eny amin'ny tontolo iainana misokatra eny.
So we've got different types of Cyperaceae in different genera. You can see all over the places.
Dia ho jerevantsika kely ny résultat ny richesse spécifique amin'ny karazana habitat tany Itremo.
So we're going to have the specific research on the habitats in Itremo.
Araka io hitantsika amin'ny sary io dia faharoa amin'ny toerana riche en espèces ny savane herbeuse.
So as you can see in the figures, this is the Herbaceae savanna is the second place where you can find the most of those Cyperaceae.
Dia ny espèce betsaka ao dia ny espèce ny bulbostylis.
And the most seen species is the Bulbostylis 1.
Ie. Dia raha izay ny richesse dia ndao jerevantsika hoe inona ny fitaovana azontsika ampiasaina hanaovana identification.
So if that's all about the richnesses, and now let's have a look at the different tools we can use for the identification.
Ie. Misy ny Journal of Cyperaceae of Madagascar izay nivoaka tamin'ny herintaona azontsika ampiasaina. The Journal of Cyperaceae of Madagascar.
We have what we call the genera of Cyperaceae of Madagascar, which was produced last year.
Dia ahafahantsika manao identification hatreo amin'ny genre.
So that we can do the identification starting from the genera.
Dia eo koa ny clé ny Crostularia sy ny Scleria. So this is also the identification key for Crostularia and Scleria. Dia raha ohatra ka mahita bulbostylis ianao any Itremo dia efa misy clé-na bulbostylis ihany koa amin'io. So here also the identification key for bulbostylis in Itremo. Dia ny flore de Madagascar ihany koa dia mbola ampiasaintsika foana.
And the flora of Madagascar is also used up to date.
Dia amin'izao fotoana izao izay dia manao recherche mandritra ny teziko ny resaka diversité sy évolution Cyperaceae à Madagascar.
On my thesis, we are working on researches related to diversity and evolution of Cyperaceae in Madagascar.
Dia mifantoka kokoa amin'ny genre bulbostylis izahay.
And we are more focusing on Bulbostylis.
Dia mety manontany ny genre efatra amby roapolo nefa ny alohanay safidy bulbostylis.
You may wonder why we are choosing Bulbostylis, yet we have 24 genera.
Dia misy antony maromaro no mahatonga an'izay.
And there are different reasons for that.
Dia voalohany aloha ny bulbostylis no anisany manana espèce maromaro amin'ny lignée endémique Madagascar.
The first reason is Bulbostylis is one of the few multi-species endemic lineages.
Dia amin'ireo lignée endémique ireo dia izy ihany hoe ny espèce rehetrarehetra dia mampiasa ny photosynthèse C4 daholo.
This is one of the species which is using C for photosynthesis.
Ie, dia izy koa mbola mikorontana be ny resaka délimitation any espèce.
So the species delimitation is not yet settled.
Dia izay no ny objectif anay zany dia hijery ny relation entre ny Cyperaceae ny endémicité amin'ny tontolo iainana misokatra.
So one of our objectives to investigate the link between sledge diversity and endemicity in the open ecosystem.
Dia amoaka traitement taxonomique ny Bulbostylis ihany koa izahay.
And also to provide a taxonomic treatment of the genus Bulbostylis.
Dia misy recherche hafa ihany koa amin'izao mandeha amin'ny resaka Cyperaceae eto Madagascar.
And another research is ongoing on Cyperaceae in Madagascar.
Mifantoka kokoa amin'ny fampiasana anazy.
More focused on the use of that Cyperaceae.
Dia arak'ireo hitantsika ireo dia ireo zavatra mety ho vita amin'ny Cyperaceae eto Madagascar.
In the pictures, we have different types of products we can have from those in Madagascar.
Dia sady mampiditra volan'olona koa ny Cyperaceae.
And this is creating income generating revenues.
Dia izay no afaka andresana misaotra betsaka antsika rehetra.
So that's all. Thank you so much.